Well, hello there. Yeah, that's right. No P-Dog today. It's my turn to make a video. He and I are going to be uploading our own videos to the channel, so every now and then, expect double the Airsoft. Now, I don't know about you, but I like windows. What I don't like are enemy players getting close to my window. So enjoy watching me shoot them.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh no, this camera gets in my way.
Going right? Firing so good.
Oh, and of course they all moved, right?
They're pushing on the left side and couldn't play.
They're going down low, but I think most of them are being taken out.
Yeah.
Two more left. Close, two more left. That's like six.
He's dead. Got one.
Nope. Nope.
What do you see?
Nope.
Ah, stop blinding me. Oh, they're shooting my window.
Where?
There's like one guy that just keeps blinding me a bunch. Ah, there's too many of them up front.
Heavy machine gun.
There's a guy that keeps blinding me. What a bitch.
Yeah, don't step on the stool.
Man, this is so difficult.
Oh, play some music, man.
Ah,
You want me to?
Yeah.
Sure.
there we go.
Definitely need some music right now.
Oh, you're 12. Made that up. Somebody left side.
Hello.
No. Oh my god. I'm running low, but you know, not too bad. I keep shooting the bars. This camera's very much so in my way.
What did you say?
The camera's in my way. What's going on over there?
People are shooting at me.
I mean the usual. Are they getting close?
If you poke out that door, you're gonna get shot.
Oh, I know, because they've been ricocheting and rolling at my feet all day, so. I don't have very many BBs left. Oh, hey! One just grazed my arm.
No! We're down one more!
Down one.
What the hell happened?
I don't know, one grazed my arm. I don't know where it came from, but.
Alright, well.
Where do I
The
respawn?
property line, just like down that way. Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna get shot. Ah, gun hit. I don't know. Some. Not. No, never mind. Sorry, I have none.
Do you have any left in any mag?
No.
No?
No.
You're out.
Yeah.
You're completely out.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright. What kind of
I took a lot of shots on the window like bars
Yeah.
because I usually rest this kind of up against the bars
Yeah.
so that I know I'm not shooting the bars.
Yeah. I was gonna say we could run around
Nope.
the right side, but we got it. We got it. You did good. That was good.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that window as much as I did. I think I'm still getting used to having all these cameras on me. I'm super excited to upload more videos for you guys and show some more love for the channel. Like I said before, with my help, you guys might be getting double the Airsoft videos every now and then. I'm looking forward to whatever exciting stuff comes my way. I'll see you guys next time.